And we are at the prospect of witnessing the most thrilling macro, micro finance event in the history of our lives. Historically, there has never been a situation, a time like this, between a new asset class and tons of money looking for a home that are no longer in the bond market, that are no longer investing in the S&P 500, because now people know it's only 7 companies in the S&P 500. So indexation goes out the window, 60-40 goes out the window, bond market goes out the window. Everybody, including big corporations, because of the change in the FASB rules, will be looking for a way to put some tangible Bitcoin on their balance sheets. The situation is unprecedented. We are on the verge of linking what can be modestly described as a capital pool exceeding $10 trillion to an asset that's less than $1 trillion. Okay, with a diminishing supply. I've never, ever seen a setup even remotely close to what we have here.